In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Hostinger's user interface to manage your website, specifically focusing on handling FTP accounts. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's begin by heading over to Hostinger's homepage. Open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type in hpanel.hostinger.com to open the Hostinger control panel, which we refer to as hpanel. Once you're there, you'll find a series of options designed to make website management as straightforward as possible. The next step is accessing your websites. Locate the Websites section at the top of the page. It's a prominent button that's hard to miss. Clicking on it will bring up a list of all the websites associated with your account. This is where you can manage, edit, and modify various aspects of your website. Now, navigate to the dashboard. It's an integral part of the process, as this is where you'll find tools and resources for managing your site's settings and performance. Clicking on it will give you a clear overview of your website, providing essential statistics and quick access to different managerial aspects. One important tab to be familiar with is Files. Within the dashboard, look for this tab. It's crucial for managing the files that make up your website. Click on Files to start exploring the various file management options available. Next, you'll want to move to FTP accounts. This is necessary for file transfer between your local server and the Hostinger server. You'll typically find this within the Files section. Clicking on FTP accounts gives you the tools to manage connections and upload files to your website efficiently. In the same vein, find and click on FTP Access. This option is designed to allow you to control and edit how FTP connections are made. It's user-friendly and helps you configure how files are transferred securely. Sometimes, when going through this process, you might wonder how to connect to an FTP account effectively. Hostinger makes this easy by providing a How to Connect to an FTP account guide right within the interface. Clicking on this option will give you step-by-step instructions to streamline the process, ensuring you can connect seamlessly. It's not unusual to encounter errors while connecting to FTP accounts. To mitigate this, take advantage of the Common Errors while connecting to an FTP account option. It's an immensely helpful tool to diagnose and solve potential problems. Lastly, there's always more to learn. Click on Learn More for additional resources and guidance. It links directly to detailed articles and tutorials, enriching your understanding of managing FTP accounts. For those who run into issues, especially concerning connections, make sure to utilize the How to Fix FTP Connection Errors in Hostinger guide. It provides solutions to typical connectivity problems, ensuring your website remains functional and accessible. By following these steps, you should feel confident navigating Hostinger's platform and managing your FTP accounts. Thank you for watching, and happy website managing.